Hi everyone, welcome back to iTech Aspirant. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a modern and responsive layout using Constraint Layout in Android Studio. Constraint Layout lets us align views relative to other views or to the parent layout using constraints like top, bottom, start, and end. First, check out the full Android Studio playlist, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Let's get started. We'll first explore how to center elements like a text view and a button. Then we'll create a 2x2 grid of colorful boxes using Constraint Layout. Now that we've understood the basics of Constraint Layout, let's move to our practice project and apply everything we've learned. This is our previous linear layout file. Let's create a new file. So first, we're using a constraint layout as the root layout because it gives us full control over positioning elements with constraints. Wait for Gradles to import. In our layout file, we start with androidx.constraintlayout.widget.constraintLayout. It's a powerful and flexible layout manager that helps us position UI elements relative to each other or to the parent layout. Add additional tools. Remove helper. Now, after setting up our interface, let's start coding. At the top, we have a text view that says Center with Constraint Layout. I've already explained these things earlier, so I won't repeat them here. Make sure to access the playlist. Every video is important and builds the foundation for Noor 1. Import app namespace. This lets you use custom attributes from Android libraries. This connects the top edge of the text view to the top edge of the parent layout. This connects the left edge of the text view to the start of the parent layout. Start to start aligns it to the left, end to end aligns it to the right, and using both together centers the element horizontally. Then, we add a button below the text. When we skip vertical alignment, the button might overlap the text view because Constraint Layout doesn't know where exactly to place it. So, to align the button below the text view, we use this line. We're aligning it with the text view, so we give the text view's ID. And of course, to center it horizontally, we also use start to start of and end to end of parent. Now the button is centered horizontally by aligning both its left and right with the parent layout. Margin top adds 16 dp of space above the button, creating space between the text view and the button. We set the button text to next so that we can easily use it later to navigate to the next page or activity in our app. This connects the bottom edge of the text view to the top edge of the button below. Finally, set bottom text view. Windows plus dot to open this. This kind of footer is commonly used in apps to show copyright info or ownership. Bottom to bottom of make sure the text view stays at the bottom of the screen. Now let's add a grid of 4 colorful boxes using Constraint Layout. Each box is a text view, and we'll align them into rows and to columns without using nested layout. Box 1 is at the top left. This might look strange at first, but in ConstraintLayout, setting width and height to 0 dp means match constraints. To apply different colors easily, open your browser and search Colors in Android. Then scroll down and look for a GitHub link that contains a collection of commonly used color names with their hex codes. I've also added the direct link in the video description for your convenience. Simply copy the color names and codes and paste them into your colors.xml file in Android Studio. This makes it much easier to reuse color values throughout your app without typing hex codes every time. Remove the duplicate resources tag. Only one resources tag should wrap all your color definitions. Delete default black and white colors if they're already present. Let's go back to our layout and add the 4 colorful boxes. It sets the background color of the box using a predefined color from the colors.xml file. This line keeps the box perfectly square. Now simply copy and paste the code for box 1 and make the necessary changes to create box 2. Like changing the ID, background color, text, and constraints. These lines are self-explanatory by their names, and I've already explained them earlier. But if you still find any difficulty understanding these constraints, feel free to ask in the comments section. Now we simply again copy box 1 and make the necessary changes to create box 3. Now we copy box 2 and make the necessary changes to create box 4. Here's a mistake, all the boxes are sticking together. We can balance it by adding bottom to top constraints in box 1 and box 2. And that's it for today. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Android UI and Kotlin tutorials. And if you successfully recreated this layout, drop a comment below. I'd love to see your progress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.